A portfolio career doesn't mean you have to leave medicine. All it means is that you can make more money in less time. So in this video, I'm going to break down whether or not a portfolio career is for you or not. And if you stick to the end, there's a very short way that you'll be able to determine that. Okay, so let's dive in. The first question that you want to ask yourself is clinical medicine enough for me? So there will be people who want to stay in clinical medicine, and there are people who want non-clinical medicine or non-clinical options. Okay, let's put it like that. Now, in this video, I'm primarily going to be dealing with people who want to stay in clinical medicine but want to open up their career. Okay, so there are three main reasons that that you would be watching this video. One, you want more money. Two, you want more time. Or three, you want more impact. Okay, now the first thing you want to do is determine which of these are your motivators, because then that will allow you to choose which career you should go into, whether you should stay in clinical medicine, whether you should use your career, use your finances, and so on and so forth. When you then determine which one of these are your motivators, then we can move on to the next stage. Now, let's say, for example, your motivation is money. That then means you have three main ways that you can increase that. You can progress your clinical career, so career progression, capital investments. So that means you make the money that you earn from your clinical medicine work for you, or business development. And all of these hinge on, they all rest on one principle, and that principle is assets. Okay, your business is an asset, capital investments, assets, you're investing in assets, and career progression, your career is an asset. Okay, so money comes from assets. When you think about money, you're thinking about assets. How do I spell assets? Assets. Okay, now if you want more time, then what you want to do is you want to be thinking about how you can either reduce the amount of hours that you do and receive more money for the time that you invest, or you scale back your clinical medicine time and you do other things. The third is impact. Okay, so for example, I enjoy sports, so I work as a sports doctor for Fulham Football Club. I have the opportunity to make that impact with something I enjoy. I also do music, I do sports, football. This is supposed to be a football. I'm making impact, and I'm also a career coach, career and finance coach. So for me, I'm getting to do the things that I enjoy because I want to make more impact. This is a big driver for me, making impact. So you have to ask yourself, which of these three is pushing you into this portfolio pathway? And then once you figure out which of these three is your main motivator, then you can move forward from there. Okay, so let us start with the money one, because a lot of people, it is money. Now, the reason why it is money, the reason why it is money is because even if you need more time, you need more money to gain more time. There are three main commodities that we all have. We all have time, we all have knowledge. This is supposed to be a light bulb. And we all have some level of money. Okay? Now, if you want to gain more time, then you need knowledge and money to gain that. Okay? So whatever you need the other two to gain. If you need more knowledge, you go to university, you pay money and use your time to gain more knowledge. Okay? If you need more money, then you use your knowledge and your time to gain more money. So all of that to say, if you're looking for more time, you're probably looking for more money. Okay? If you're looking for more money, it's probably because you need more time. Okay? And then if you're looking for impact, well, there are quite a few reasons why you might be looking for more impact. If you're a doctor, you're probably somebody who appreciates the benefits of having an impactful job and a rewarding profession, okay? And it is very important to us for us to be impactful in all that we do. Now, if we take it into a bit more detail, let's take it further down. So let's go back to money, because we said that most people, it is money. Okay, what did we say? We said capital investments. We said career progression. And we said business development or side hustles. Let's put them both together. Okay. Now, with most of us, this is a very low-hanging fruit. Yeah, to do capital investments, low-hanging fruit. You research where your money can go, what interest rates you can get back from it, and you times that by time, and that will give you a return. You can do that for your pensions. You can do that for short-term investments. You can do that for long-term investments, and so on and so forth. There are so many ways you can do that. VC investing, VC fund investing, startup investing. You can do S&P 500 or stock markets, stocks and shares, ISAs. There's so many things that you can do with that. And I have a course that goes through that in detail so that you can actually invest on your own confidently. And I will put the link within the description. You can click on that link and, or you can send me a message, and you can sign up to that course. Very straightforward. You can do it on your own, and it will equip you for capital investments. Very low hanging fruit. If you're unsure of anything of this, this is an easy thing to go with. The second is career progression. Okay, so you want to map out your career. Now, medical careers in the UK at the moment are going through a turbulent time, but it doesn't matter, because what it means, all you need to do is decide, which career am I going to have for myself? I did the same thing back in 2016 when there were strikes. I decided for myself that I was going to map out a career that I wanted to participate in, and which is what I do now. So I'm now a consultant anaesthetist. I also work for Premier League Football Club. I run a global music festival, and I also edit for a global high impact journal, because that's what I enjoy doing, and that's what I planned with my career. But career progression takes the most time. Okay? This takes the most time because it takes several years for your career to progress. It's something that is outside of your hand. It's something that is external. And so it is a bit limited with time. Now, that leads us on to number 3, which is a business or side hustle. Now, this is a high impact, probably high reward thing that you can do out of the 3. Okay, so this is the safest, low risk, and a low hanging fruit, very easy. This is, again, quite safe and rewarding, but it takes a lot of time. Now, a business or a side hustle can be evergreen, right? This can probably outlast you if you do it right. And the rewards are extremely high. The risks can be high, but you can mitigate those risks. You can always mitigate those risks, and you'll see that if you join this course that I do, the Financial Independence Toolkit, call it FIT. You will see that you can always mitigate your risk. You can mitigate your risk by joining forces with a community or with a mentor who can help you to avoid the mistakes that they made too. Which I'm going to plug now, my school community. Join my school community, which is for like-minded individuals who are trying to improve their career and their finances. Now, back to the portfolio pathway, because this is what we're talking about. How do you decide whether or not a portfolio career is for you? Okay, well, these are the 3 questions that I want you to ask yourself. The 3 questions that you want to ask yourself is one income enough for me? Number 1. Number 2, do I have other interests? Okay, and then number 3, am I motivated by number 1, number 2, or number 1? If you can answer yes to these questions, then the portfolio pathway or portfolio career is for you. Now, I've created a very short and very simple quiz to answer these questions in more detail. Again, they're also in the link below. You can tap on that link and take the quiz for yourself and see if it is for you. I'm Dr. Nix, and if you'd like more in-depth details about how the portfolio pathway works and how you can make a portfolio career work for you and increase your finances, then join the school community. The link is down below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and share it with any of the doctors that you know will benefit from this. And I'll see you on the next video.